How to use Steam Interactive Recommender. The Steam Interactive Recommender is a tool that uses machine learning to suggest games that you might enjoy. To use it, follow these steps. 1. Go to the Steam store and click on the Your Store tab. 2. In the top right corner, you'll see a recommendations section. 3. Choose on the Interactive Recommender button. 4. You'll be presented with a list of games that the recommender thinks you might enjoy. 5. You can click on any game to learn more about it or to add it to your wish list. 6. You can also use the sliders to adjust the recommendations based on your preferences. 7. Recommender will continue to make recommendations based on your play history and your preferences. Here are some tips for using the Steam Interactive Recommender. The recommender is most effective if you have a lot of play history on Steam. If you're not sure what kind of games you like, try exploring the different genres of games that the recommender recommends. You can also use the Discoverability tab to find games that are new or that are on sale. If you're looking for a specific game, you can use the search bar to find it. The recommender is a great way to find new games that you might not have found otherwise.